How to turn off State Farm Beacon. Open the State Farm app on your smartphone, navigate to Drive Safe and Save or Safe and Save tab within the app. Turn off the tracking permissions by disabling location services, Bluetooth, and motion activity permissions for the State Farm app in your phone settings. If you have a physical beacon device in your car, press and hold the small white button on the beacon for about 5 to 8 seconds until the light briefly flashes. This can temporarily disconnect the device from tracking. To fully remove the beacon, carefully detach it from your windshield by locating the release tab on its mounting bracket. Gently press the tab while wiggling the device to unclip it without damage. If adhesive remains on the windshield after removal, warm the area gently with a hairdryer and peel it off slowly, avoiding sharp tools. Note that turning off permissions or removing the beacon will stop trip recording, which means you will no longer receive the Drive Safe and Save discount. Always comply with State Farm's terms and any legal requirements when managing the beacon and app settings. Subscribe.